In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best car lift for home garage. So let's get started. Number 7. A+ Lift 10,000 lb. This 2-post lift has a double S column design and a 10,000-pound lift capacity. It's made of steel with a durable powder-coated finish and robot-welded structure, which is CE certified. It features a hydraulic system and a symmetrical and asymmetrical arm assembly with screw-in pads. To prevent damage during delivery, the lift is shipped from different warehouses in Washington, Texas, Georgia, Indiana, and Pennsylvania. It lifts an 8,000-pound vehicle as easily as a 3,000-pound vehicle. It's a very well-made piece of equipment and costs much less than many rival lifts of its size. Overall, it's one of the best values for the money if you're looking for a 2-post lift. Number 6. XK 10,000 pounds. This is a beefy 2-post garage car lift capable of hefting around 10,000 pounds of weight. It includes a 5/16-inch diameter cable and a reliable and sturdy 4.56-inch pulley system. The high-quality cabling is designed to reduce stress during the synchronization process and even increases the life of the cable. As another big benefit to you, the machine comes with an ultra-high molecular self-lubricating nylon slider to ensure maximum efficiency and smooth operation. It also comes with a high-powered industrial 220V 60 Hz 3-horsepower motor. The device also features door guards to protect your car, truck, SUV, or Jeep, and includes a double-point safety lock release. Number 5. Triumph 8,000 pounds. This 4-post automotive lift is designed for storage and service use. It has a caster kit, so you can easily move the lift around in the garage. The jack tray lets you use a bottle jack or floor jack to lift one end of the vehicle. And the 3 drip trays keep fluid from dripping onto the bottom of the vehicle. This auto lift is well made and sturdy. It's portable, easy to install, and takes about 5 to 6 hours to assemble. The automatic locking system engages at 10 separate points while you raise the vehicle. The complex portions are pre-assembled, and the cables are already threaded through everything but the post pulleys. Number 4. Quickjack BL5000LX. The Quickjack 517-5376BL5000LX is a budget-friendly car lift that allows you to adjust the height of the lift and move around the car at the same time. The device can be powered by either 220-volt, 240-volt, or 12-volt motors. It can also function effectively with either 2 or 4 posts, and a handheld remote simplifies the lifting process. The frames are lightweight, and the lift is portable. Each section of the lift only weighs 70 pounds. The unit is easy to set up, and you won't have to bolt it on a secure ground as with most 2-post car lifts. It's also powerful and easy to use. The lift automatically engages its dual-position safety lock whenever the lift is raised. The safety lock features a flip lever for quick shutoff. Number 3. A+ Lift Mid-Rise 6,600 lb. This car lift may look small and compact, but it's quite a capable little device. It includes a 51-inch maximum lift height and comes with truck adapters for extra convenience. It has a maximum length of 88 9/16 inches and a width of 78 3/4 inches. It also features a dual 3.25-inch hydraulic cylinder structure that allows you to lift 6,600 pounds. It's a bright orange color that you can't miss, so you can avoid it like traffic cones on the highway. Plus, it comes with wheels for easier mobility and ease of access around the shop. Its triple roller design enhances its stability and contact with the floor. It is also one of the lightest car lifts on our list, as it weighs 1,200 pounds. Number 2. Triumph NT9 9,000 pounds. This might very well be the best 2-post lift out there for home garages. The 111-inch height allows you to fit this unit under a low ceiling, while the 106-inch clearance between posts is perfect for a wide range of vehicles. The 3-stage arms can lift up to 9,000 pounds in approximately 40 seconds to a height of 72 inches. The arms are completely adjustable, so you can work on your Ford F-150, BMW M3, John Deere riding lawnmower, or even a golf cart. Installation is easy and relatively quick for a stationary lift. Expect a few hours with the help of a friend and YouTube instruction video such as the one below. Number 1. dannmar MaxJax Portable. We just couldn't complete this list without including the MaxJax. This two-post lift breaks all the rules by being portable and compact, without sacrificing safety. The 6,000 capacity kit is the perfect car lift for small garages, requiring a minimum ceiling height of only 8 feet. Add to this the more open workspace that scissor jacks can't provide, as well as the ability to collapse and store when not in use, and you have one of the most amazing pieces of home mechanical equipment out there. Owners will be quick to tell you how easy this lift is to both use and move. It's perfect for maintenance work and detailing, although the lower ceiling requirement does mean the max lift height is also a bit lower. There's a bit of preparation to make sure the lift can be mounted securely, but once this is done, the MaxJax is extremely sturdy and safe.